It's almost bedtime. You brushed your teeth, turned off the kitchen light, and climbed under the covers. Nothing special, just another Tuesday. But right now, in this exact window, your body is about to make a choice, a hormonal choice. And that choice will decide whether you burn fat for the next 7 hours or store it. You don't get a vote. You don't even feel it happening. But by the time your alarm goes off tomorrow morning, the outcome is already locked in. Here's what nobody tells you. The most effective fat loss event in your entire 24-hour cycle doesn't happen at the gym. It doesn't happen during your morning jog. It doesn't happen when you swap your bagel for a protein shake. It happens while you're completely unconscious, between roughly 11 at night and 3 in the morning. Scientists call this window the nocturnal growth hormone pulse. And what you do in the 60 minutes before you close your eyes either triggers this pulse or destroys it entirely. You could eat perfectly clean all day. You could skip dessert, hit your macros, drink your water. None of that matters if you make one critical error before you fall asleep. Because this isn't about discipline. This is about a single hormone that acts as the master switch for overnight fat metabolism. That hormone is growth hormone. Let me explain what's actually happening under your skin while you sleep so this makes sense. Every fat cell on your body has what's called a beta-adrenergic receptor. Think of it like a lock on a vault door. When growth hormone surges through your bloodstream during deep sleep, it acts like the key. It unlocks those receptors. The fat cells crack open. Stored triglycerides get broken apart into free fatty acids. Those fatty acids flood into your bloodstream, and your body uses them as fuel, all while you're lying there doing absolutely nothing. You literally wake up measurably lighter. This isn't a metaphor. This is measurable, repeatable human biology. But here's where everything falls apart for most people. Growth hormone has one mortal enemy: insulin. These two hormones cannot operate at the same time. When insulin levels are elevated in your blood, your pituitary gland, that's the tiny master gland at the base of your brain, it refuses to release growth hormone. The signal never goes out. The fat cells never unlock, and you spend the entire night in storage mode instead of burning mode. Now think about what most people are doing at 9 or 9:30 at night. They're snacking. Maybe it's something small. Maybe it's something they'd call healthy. A handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, a bowl of yogurt. It doesn't matter. Food is food. The moment calories enter your digestive system, your pancreas responds with insulin. And insulin doesn't just spike and vanish. It takes 2 to 3 hours to return to baseline, depending on what you consumed. So if you eat anything at 9 and crawl into bed at 10, your insulin is still elevated. Your pituitary gland scans the bloodstream, detects insulin, and keeps growth hormone locked away. The result? 8 full hours of